Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Kim. If you're new here, so glad you stopped by to see what I've got going on. If you've come back for another go around, I've got some exciting stuff today. So I have today 10 different centerpieces that you can use, whether it be your house or at your office, or if you need a bunch of them for, say, a company party. All of these that I put together are centerpieces that cost less than $5. Each centerpiece also maybe took 5 minutes each to put together. So really fast if you're in a pinch for time or even a pinch for money. These are perfect for any of those things. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell at the bottom so that you get notified when I upload new stuff. I am really trying to do at least one video a week. I'm gonna shoot for 2. I am a nurse, so I also work, and I just do this in my spare time. So I guess let's get started. Let me know what you guys think when I'm finished. So for the first centerpiece, I used one of the rectangle charger plates that was silver, took some of the green, I guess it's garland or stems that are wired, kind of made those into circles, put one of the white candles, the Christmas tree candle holders in the center, just kind of placed the garland or white garland, I think that's what it's called, sorry if I don't remember the name, around it just to kind of fill in the holes. Once I was done with that, I took a holly leaf pick, disassembled it. I think I only used 2 of the holly leaf picks total and some of the red holly berries, which was on another pick that I disassembled. Easy as pie. Throw it all together and it comes out absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about the first one. For the next one, I took a 6-pack of the red and white Christmas tree ornaments they have sequins on them, so they're a little bit glittery. And I snipped off the holders that were in place and took some barbecue skewers, just put the barbecue skewers through the bottom. I did dab a little bit of hot glue so the skewers would not come out, just so that I could use those as like a stick. After the sticks were on, I took some of the pipe cleaners that were red and white, wrapped them around the sticks, just so I could cover up the wooden part of the sticks. Once I had all of the sticks colored, I think I ended up only using 3 of the picks altogether. I took a glass vase that I had from the Dollar Tree, it's a smaller one, dropped some Epsom salt down inside to make it look like snow, had 3 leftover red and gold ornaments, or bulbs, whatever you want to call them, that I had from another project. Stuck those picks down inside. I had a holly leaf left over from another project that I did, and wrapped a piece of ribbon around the top. Then it was done. I think it came out super cute. You guys let me know what you think. So this next one is similar to the first one I did. I used the charger plate, used those green stems or sticks, whatever you want to call them, that are on wires. Instead of using the Christmas tree this time, I actually used the reindeer. Took 2 of the white, larger Christmas bells that they have at the Dollar Tree, just snipped off the tags and the holders that were on top, put them on a tray, and it was the easiest project ever, and it is the cutest thing once it's all put together. Centerpiece number 4 is a white candle holder. Flipped it upside down so I could put some hot glue on. It seems to have more places for it to stick to. Take just a red bowl that I got at the Dollar Tree, glue it to the top. Once it's glued together and dry, I take some white rocks that I had from another project, but they still sell them at the Dollar Tree. Stick one of the white candles down inside, fill the rocks around, and to add a finishing touch to it, I take some of the red and gold tiny little styrofoam balls that you can use as a filler in other things, drop some around the candle on top of the rocks, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Up next, take a glass vase, put some of the Dollar Tree plastic ornaments inside, take one of the picks from the Dollar Tree, stick it down in the middle of all of those bulbs, and they're done. It is super fast, super easy, and I think it would be perfect on anybody's table centerpiece. Up next, we're going to use that silver rectangle charger again. Take 3 of the square glass vases that you get at the Dollar Tree. Drop some of the Christmas ornaments that are plastic down inside. You can use whatever color you want that will match whatever your decor is. And that is it, my friends. It was something that I wasn't really sure if it was going to come out really cute or if it was going to be too simple. But I think it is just simple enough that it actually adds a lot of elegance to a table. So I have really come to love this charger plate this time of year. Again, another really easy one. I took one of the LED candles and put it in the center, dropped some white rocks around the outside of it, and took some of the styrofoam red and gold vase filler or bulbs or whatever you want to call those. And I just dropped some of the little tiny pine cones that I had left over from my fall crafting stuff, and it was done. Here it is. Centerpiece number 8, just a glass clear cereal bowl, I think is what it is. I had a votive candle that I had from last year that was just in like a green little vase. Dump some Epsom salt around the edges and add in some of the little tiny pine cones, light the candle, and there you have it. It is finished in probably less than 2 minutes. The air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling. Centerpiece number 9, or just regular home decor. You can put it anywhere. Another glass vase, Epsom salt in the bottom, drop one of the Christmas trees. I think they come with a little village stuff down in the center, and I dropped some pine cones around the edges, and it's finished. I wake up from a slumber. Last but not least, DIY number 10. We're going to use another one of the charger plates. I dropped a white terry cloth down on the bottom of it to give it a snowy kind of feel. Used a vase, put some bulbs inside, or ornaments, plastic ornaments again. Dropped some of the red and gold styrofoam balls on each side, and it's finished. That is it. 10 centerpieces, all super easy to make. Very budget friendly. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I got some more stuff coming out next week, and I'm excited to share with it. Thank you guys all for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'm glad I can share this stuff with you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. It really means a lot to me. And you guys have a great week, and I will see you all soon. Take care.